So bottom line, we are the best commercial cleaning company in town. Hands down. Any questions?
Yes, if we can go back. You mentioned something about signing a multi-year contract?
Right, yeah, so that is a way for us to invest in each other, right? My goal here today is to build a relationship between our companies so that my company comes out and cleans for your company. Now, the more times I come out to clean...
But what if we're not happy with the work? We've had companies make big promises in the past, and in this case, we would just be stuck.
You mentioned before that you'd heard of us, right? Mm-hmm. Our franchise is a big deal. And that doesn't just happen by accident. That happens because our reviews are just good enough to not get people talking to their friends about how unhappy they were. We do just enough to make sure that people don't leave bad about us to their friends.
Yes, you were talking so fast earlier. Did you mention anything about background checks? Are you licensed and insured?
I can assure you, nobody cleans like we do. Right? It's kind of one of the things that makes us unique, sets us apart. Another thing that sets us apart is also the fact that we have so many people working underneath us and so many clients that have clients. In fact, just a helpful little tool for our more visual learners. Now, this is a representation of our terms and conditions. So that's terms, that's the word down and, that's here. This is where, you could read it at your own discretion, but we can just get it signed. Very boilerplate stuff. Hopefully that, clarifies things for you. Our motto is synergy in sanitation. And, clearly, we're the right choice.
Thank you for your time. We'll be in touch.
Great. So do we want to do
Nope.
Diamond Elite?
We're good. We're good.
Oh, do you have an office cat, by the way? We're giving these laser pointers as freebies.
At Business Cleaning Solutions, we take a genuine, friendly approach to help companies understand how they too can enjoy a clean workspace with less hassle. Call us today for your free consultation. As always, we're at your service.